Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BlackShark Pad 7 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this left section we need to scroll and find the section for the apps. And I cannot really see it. Oh. Okay, so the apps are almost at the very top of the list, so just tap on it, and here we need to tap on see all 89 apps, of course 89 in my case. Now just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. So here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.